The Boy and the Broken Toy. One day, a young boy named Jamie found his favorite toy truck broken. He was heartbroken and tried to fix it himself, but couldn't figure it out. His father saw his frustration and sat down beside him. "Let's work on it together," his father said, picking up the toy and inspecting it closely. As they worked, his father showed him how to carefully put the pieces back in place. Slowly but surely, the truck began to look whole again. When they finished, Jamie was thrilled to see his truck working good as new. "Thanks, Dad," he said. His father smiled and replied, "Sometimes it just takes a little patience and teamwork to fix things." Jamie learned that day that many problems, big or small, could be solved if he took his time and asked for help when he needed it.